Hello, welcome to AssemblyTube. I'm going to give you a few tips on planning next year's assemblies. Download our free assembly planner for the following year. Looks like this. It's a Word document. It's got a page for each of the 3 main terms of the year, and each of the weeks there is a link to assembly ideas. Type in which year group or tutor group it's going to be. In each of the boxes you can type in what you're planning to deliver, what your ideas are. The boxes will expand. You can add what your week number is in your particular school. At the top there are some links here, so you can search for assemblies, tags, downloads, different key stage ideas, scripts, music, values, PowerPoints that you can download, and we've even got ideas for the whole year. So why not download the document now and save yourself some time. Thanks for listening.